Alright now, post-flood, probably about 3 days after. Today, Saturday, 5 o'clock in the afternoon. As you can see, this is my parents' house. Okay. Alright then, I'm just gonna let you look at the whole thing, whole situation. We got every truck, we got a party going on over here. So, yeah, let me show you what's inside. Going inside here. Alright then. Check it out. We knocked four feet of sheetrock out in space. Everything's all cleared. Washer don't work. Alright, then we knocked out every door. Alright, then you can see over here. We already knocked all the insulation. Windows are stained, but like I said, we already got everything done. We're on its way. So I'm gonna YouTube it. Something messed up over here, but you know what? It's 1940s home, so you know it's all gonna be all good. Alright then. Here's all the junk. This is straight up junk. Oh, this is junk is mugrero. 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 Straight up. Listen, M-U-G-E-R-G-O. Mugrero.
No.
Okay. Here's my mom.
No, no es mugrero. Es las cosas que salvé, gracias a Dios.
Mugrero. Period.